awesome, fastest trap I've ever done. Thank you, God. Fastest one I ever done. Hey there, baby. This is the feral dog. It's in heat. She's going to get spayed.
I'm so afraid with these other dogs around, we wouldn't be able to get her.
Hey, girl.
Hello, little bit.
Hey there.
Hello, little bit. Hello, sweetheart.
You want to growl, don't you?
Hello, little bit.
Hey there.
Pretty.
Hey there. She got a big old tick on her forehead.
Yeah, that's what she, Miss Cooley was saying. Hello, little bit. Hello, sweetheart.
We got the little feral dog they call Little Bit. I never had a trap this fast ever. She went straight for the bacon in the trap. Until bacon quits working for me, I will never change the bait. Hey, little girl. Hey, little girl. Getting ready to do a kennel exchange. She is going to be going in this little pen area here, and I hope she will stay there because she will not be able to go to the vet until Monday. What do you think, girl? What do you think? What do you think? She has been on her own since she was born, and I was told she's about 1.5 years old. So she, never ever came up to anybody. She's been totally on her own, but they have always fed her. So she is just, the plan is now just to get her spay and release back to the same area unless we can find a foster. I think somebody, they worked with her for a few days. You can make a social dog out of her, no problem. Okay, girl. You just leave that just like that. Yeah, that'll work.
Okay, little bit, go. Well, that'll get her out. There we go, good dog. There we go, sweetheart. Get the bacon out there. There you go.
And we put up a fishing line on that one where that gate can close too, where
Here, bit.
she can be going to the vet Monday.
Here's some bacon. Here's some bacon.
Want a piece of bacon? Hey girl, you want a piece of bacon? Want a piece of bacon?
I'm gonna put the rest of it in here.
Here you go.